Don't comment. I start every video by saying that, well, every giveaway by saying that. Do not comment because you are likely to break one of the rules of this giveaway. Now that you haven't commented, let's talk. Yes, I'm giving away a gaming PC. I give away a gaming PC one time every month. And every month I have to make this same exact video explaining the rules so carefully and detailed that everybody can understand without having to ask questions that are stupid. First things first, yes, as the title says, in case you can't read, this giveaway is international. International, worldwide, whatever you want to call it. If it is legal for me to ship it to your country, I will. And if it isn't, because of import restrictions based on this current pandemic or something similar, I'll just send you an Amazon gift card, PayPal, something like that. You will get something if you win. Now, here's the thing. Some people have just clicked this video, commented, and left. Those people have all been disqualified. As in, I've just hidden them from the channel, which is an option when you're a YouTuber. You can hide someone from commenting on your channel, therefore they are unable to enter the giveaways. Why have I done that? Because those people are useless to me. Here's the deal. I use the money that I make from this video, plus the rest of my ad revenue from the month, plus my revenue on twitch.tv/DinkyTheSink, to pay for a computer to give to one of my subscribers, once every month. How do I pay for that? Boom. Here's my revenue from YouTube and Twitch for the past month. Combine those two and you have the budget for this month's giveaway, which, for a whole PC and me buying primarily used parts, which I test to make sure they are fully working, and saving that money, I can get a pretty decent PC for this amount of money. Now, you're probably wondering how you enter, and I'm going to start off by saying, if you don't have time to watch this whole video, go ahead and leave. Either come back when you have time to watch this whole video, or don't come back at all, because, again, if I'm going to spend the time running this giveaway, I would at least hope you could spend the time watching this one video to help me pay for the giveaway. Sadly, I'm not rich. I don't get enough views on all my videos that I can just pay for giveaways every month and just be hunky-dory. That's not how it works. So I have to pay for it somehow. The giveaway video every month contributes approximately $50 to $80 to the giveaway budget. I need this video to pay for the giveaway. Now, you've probably noticed the timeline. It is loaded with ads. If you have an ad blocker on, I humbly request that you turn it off, please, to help me pay for this giveaway. Well, actually, it pays for next month's giveaway because that's when I get paid for this video, but you get the gist. Please turn off your ad blocker, or at least watch one ad, turn it back on. One ad, that's all I ask, because that's more than most people are going to watch. Now, let's get into the rules of this giveaway. First things first. There are things you cannot do. So let's get out of the way before you just think, I know the rules, and just go into the comments to do it. That's not going to work. Also, I have changed the rules from last giveaway, so if you're here from the last one and you think you know all the rules, please stick around a little longer so I can explain the changes. First things first. How do you enter? Well, the system is simple. I do an entry-based system, which means, while it is completely random, every single name, username, whatever you want to call it, and entries are put into a bot. Random generator, whatever you want to call it. Basically, it is random, but you can get a better chance of winning. You can get more entries. So, how do you get entries? Well, let me say one thing first. If you comment on this video or any of my videos begging me, complaining, bitching, or moaning about PCs and why you want one, you will be disqualified. I don't have time to read 1,000 people giving me a sob story, begging me for free computers and complaining about their current one, trying to guilt trip me into giving them one. I don't care about your story. I don't care about your situation. I care about doing a giveaway and making money. Wow. 5 minutes into this video, and I'm probably the most honest YouTuber you've ever met in your life. I've showed you my revenue for the month, and I've told you that I just want to make money. I know, crazy. First things first, you have to be subscribed. Done. Period. You must. I highly recommend being publicly subscribed because it gives you a little red logo next to your name in my comment section. Sadly, only I can see it, which is really stupid because it would be nice if you could see it too so you could actually see it. But that's how I know if you're subscribed. A little red logo if you're publicly subscribed. That's step one. Now, of course, subbing doesn't just give you an entry because it's impossible for me to track that. The way to get your one entry, baseline YouTube entry, YouTube, your name is in it. Done. You just have to comment on this video. But you cannot comment begging for a computer, asking to win in any way, complaining about your current situation or current computer situation, and bitching and moaning, basically. None of that. Of course, I'm going to get 1,000 comments saying, wow, you're so mean. But, well, I don't care. Because I have to be fully direct, and people like to think that they know better and try to get around the system, and those people just get banned straight up. Pretty easy. The reason I do it this way is because I need to make this as efficient as possible. Somebody who deserves to win a PC is somebody who's going to watch this video at least most of the way, get their entries, win, send me a video back for me to post saying, hey, look, it was real. Here's them receiving the parts. So I can actually have some proof of legitimacy on this channel. I do have a playlist linked in the description of some past giveaway winners opening their PCs and other things in case you're looking for that. I don't have many. I want to get more. That's why I'm asking that the winner sends me videos. There's a lot of people who just straight up haven't, because why would they when they just get a free PC or whatever? Really stupid, really annoying, whatever. Let's continue. So, baseline entry, commenting. Also, you cannot in any way, shape, or form, and people keep messing this up and they keep getting disqualified. Every single month this happens. You cannot comment in any shape or form the word done or the word entry. Why? I've been doing giveaways for a lot of months. The budget every month has changed because it goes by revenue. People click on this video, go to the comment section, and type done or entry, and then leave. Those people neither watched any ads or gave me any watch time or really even any engagement, because just commenting, clicking in video doesn't even count. Any shape or form. You type, oh, thanks, got my entry now, done, gone. You type, oh, not going to type the E word, gone. Nothing. Nothing of the sorts. Because that shows me that I've been so direct, that you cannot type them. And if you just chose not to listen, I'm going to choose not to give you a gaming PC. Capiche? Okay. Next. That is your base entry. Done. Pretty easy. Now we get into the complicated part, so please listen carefully. Now, if you've watched to this point, and you just want one entry, one chance to win, that's fine. You feel free to click off this video. You have watched the part you need. You comment something that is an entry done, bitching, moaning, complaining, or sob stories, and you're fine. That's your one entry. You have one chance to win. People have more chances to win. People have less. One. That's it. For anybody who stayed past that part, there are ways to get many more. There are people who have up to 250. Yes, 250. How do you get those extra entries? Well, here's the thing. Why I do giveaways. I'm going to explain it as quickly as possible and as simply as possible. I'll make a whole nother video explaining it better. But here's the thing. The reason I do giveaways, first of all, to make money. Second of all, I do giveaways to gain subscribers and to get views on my other videos. I'm not a giveaway channel. I don't do giveaways every day. Yeah, there's a lot of videos about giveaways. Guess what? That's called how I make the revenue to pay for them to get the subscribers to watch my other videos. My goal is to get people to watch my other videos. And it works. Now, people feel the need to comment every time, wow, what a surprise, his giveaway videos get so many more views. No frickin' duh. I'm not an idiot. I can see. But my most viewed videos on this channel with a combined 100,000 views, neither of them are giveaway videos. So I'm doing fine. Now, here's the thing. I have a Discord, link in the description below. If you join that Discord, you will find a chat called Entry Chat. Now, here's the confusing part. Bear with me. In that chat, if you post a screenshot of you hitting the like button on any one of my YouTube videos, any one of them that is posted to this channel publicly, you get an entry. Do it for every video, you get 250, because that's about approximately how many videos I have, and I just round up to make entering easier. It is not automatic. Almost all the entries I have to do myself. It takes a while, it's not terrible. It's actually pretty easy when I just round and copy and paste. And it's worth it, because this way, I don't use Gleam and all those crappy sites that allow people to just not even have to watch the video and get entries and stuff like that, and I don't make any money. That's why I don't use Gleam, because it's terrible. So back to my point. My recommendation, and it's super easy, like the videos, go to your liked videos playlist, and screenshot that playlist. Done. One screenshot, or maybe 6 max, I think was it, and you'll be fine. Done. You have 250 entries for every giveaway. If you've done it in the past, I have them saved. I'm not going to cut them out. I'm not going to. Why would I do that? That's more work for me. A lot of people have done this. There has been so many that chat is spammed with screenshots every time I do a giveaway, which is good. The reason I do that is because when you click my video to like it, I get a view for that. And I want views on my other videos so that, like the 2 videos that are the most liked on my channel, they can maybe take off and, oh, look, this guy does tech content. Oh, he happens to do giveaways. See? It works. So that's how you get those entries. I used to allow Twitter, but for now, I'm not allowing you to post entries on Twitter. It's too hard to count. I have to be fully, it's too hard for me to count. So you cannot post those entries on Twitter. Do not try. If you try, I'm going to assume you didn't watch the video. I'm just going to block you on Twitter. But you can get entries from Twitter as well, and this is new. And this is probably a stupid thing to do, but I'm going to do it because, again, my goal with the giveaways is to gain subs, followers, whatever you want to call them, and money. Mostly subs and followers. I'm willing to spend every cent of the money I make to gain a ton of subs and followers. And this is what I'm going to do on Twitter. Twitter is a pretty good way to expand. So here's the deal. Much like liking any of my videos, if you like and retweet any of my tweets that come out after this video. So from the date this video is, once it's posted, any tweet that I post, I'm not going to count replies, I would like to, but I reply to too many tweets. Any post that I post that you like and retweet and send a screenshot of you having liked and retweeted that post, you must do both, sorry, both, because then it's not worth it if you just like. Likes are boring. Both. Comment if you want. You get an extra entry. I may post 400 tweets by the end of this giveaway. So you effectively, from liking all the videos and liking all the tweets, have 600 entries. So that's how you get a ton of extra entries. And that's the easiest ways to get just a ton. Like every video, post the screenshots in Discord, entry chat. You can post every screenshot if you like in a video if that's easiest. You can tape them together or whatever, post them together in Photoshop, whatever you want to do to show that you've liked every video and that it's you liking them. If you steal somebody else's screenshots, I'm obviously just going to ban you. It's pretty easy, And I can see when the view counts are the same between 2 people's liking. I mean, it's obvious. But if you really like the videos, don't do the entries again. You're already in. Don't worry. So, that's easy. Like and retweet any tweet posted after this. My Twitter link is in the description. Twitter.com/DinkyTheSync. Pretty easy. You get an entry for liking, retweeting, posting a screenshot in Discord entry chat. Same thing for liking any video. You cannot post entries on Twitter. I can't allow it. It's too hard. Next, Twitch.tv. As I mentioned, a lot of my revenue, most of it per month, comes from Twitch.tv/DinkyTheSync. Link in the description below. I stream on Twitch a lot of days. I do make a video on my channel saying, hey guys, I'm live, whenever I go live. The goal of that is to get a ton of viewers so I can play ads and get Twitch Prime subs. Yes, full honesty, people do get some extra entries for subbing with Twitch Prime. Twitch Prime, subs, donating bits, all that kind of stuff allows me to make money, which allows me to pay for the giveaways. Therefore, you are rewarded for your support by getting a better chance to win the giveaway. That's just how it is. So, subbing with Twitch Prime, all that stuff, following on Twitch, all that stuff gets you an extra entry. If you follow on Twitch and you send a screenshot of that in entry chat, you of course get an extra entry. Now, in terms of comments, Twitch, following on Twitter, and Discord, if you screenshot doing any of those things, so if you screenshot that you followed on Twitch, that you've subscribed on YouTube, that you've joined the Discord, or that you followed on Twitter, that's 4 extra entries you can get from all those screenshots. Now, obviously, if you are in Discord entry chat, you don't have to post that you joined Discord. That's pretty much assumed. But doing this through Discord mostly allows me to enter it all under one name: Discord, YouTube, or Twitch. That's the 3 things. Twitter entries, again, those are handed through Discord, so it's given to your Discord name. Very easy. Last thing, Twitch.tv. Yes, there's a ton of entries available, so you can screenshot all those following and stuff. Also, watching the streams does give you extra entries. Every 10 minutes, the viewer list, which Twitch is very nice enough to give me, using the Twitch API, every 10 minutes, the viewer list is copied and pasted. Everybody watching gets an extra entry. Sometimes I double it, sometimes I triple it, even sometimes on certain days I do 4x. That's how it is. So, and here's the thing, if we hit 100 viewers or more on any live stream, I'll double the entries for the rest of the stream. That's how it's going to be. Because, again, Twitch viewers directly correlates to amount of money I make and amount of money I get to spend on the giveaway and then keep for myself. Whatever's left in the giveaway, I keep for myself. Typically, I keep the YouTube revenue for myself, spend the Twitch revenue on the PC. It's all good. So that's basically it. That's how I make money. I keep my YouTube revenue, which is about $150 a month, roughly speaking, and Twitch revenue, which is $300 to $600. I mean, it's been as high as $1,300 one month. Goes directly into paying for the PC, and that's it. I make money from these. I have the means and the motive, and that's a lot more than a lot of other channels have. So that's it. That is the giveaway. And I think that's it. The giveaway, of course, ends on the last day of the month, which I think is there July 31st? I don't know. But the last day of the month is when I will announce live on Twitch, and of course make a video after. But I will announce live on Twitch, post it on Discord and Twitter. The winner of the giveaway will be announced then. If you ask me in the description, if you ask me in the comment section below, when's the winner announced, I'm going to assume you didn't watch the video because I've clearly just said it. If you have any legitimate questions, I will be answering them and if they're not answered in the description, I sometimes forget to add things when I make these videos. If I don't add them in post, in editing, I will add them to the description, along with the disclaimer that this giveaway is not associated with YouTube, the company, in any way. I must put that in my description to comply with the rules that YouTube has set out for giveaways. Is that this giveaway, I'm not sponsored by YouTube, I'm not sponsored by anybody for this giveaway. This is paid for by me, this is from me to you, period. I have to put that disclaimer for YouTube TOS, and if you see a channel that doesn't put that disclaimer in the description, they probably haven't read the TOS and probably aren't doing a real giveaway. So make sure you read that real quick. It just, basically says that YouTube is not responsible for any part of this giveaway, etc. I have to say this. I put it in the description. Read the description, please. All the links are there. Link to my Discord, Twitter, Twitch, and then I do have a second YouTube channel where I've posted some videos. I've linked a video in the description below that's just hilarious because it's so stupid that I made a while ago. And that's the point. So, like I said, liking any videos gets you an entry. Posting a screenshot in Discord entry chat gets you gets you those entries. Liking and retweeting any of my tweets posted after this video, boom. Extra entry. You have to like and retweet and post a screenshot of that in Discord entry chat. If there's any questions that aren't stupid, you can leave them in the description below. If or in the comment section below, if they've been answered in this video, then I'm going to assume you didn't watch it, and I'll be very sad. That's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Good luck in this giveaway. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.